Alright, this is going to be episode 13 in our journey from Noob to ASM Coder. This episode is going to be really quick. In the previous episode, very important, we talked about using the exception vector area for putting values at temporarily with one ASM code so you can load them into another ASM code. Obviously, the exception vector area is a portion of unused static memory, so you know for certain that when you put your values there, they won't get altered by the time your next ASM code gets executed. There's another portion of memory that may be useful for you, Mem81. This is just for MKW specifically, by the way. This range, I'll blow it up on the text editor right here. This portion of Mem81, it's dynamic memory, but the way it acts in Mario Kart Wii is that this portion right here gets auto-wiped after every race. So if you want to store values to a temporary area for two ASM codes to communicate with each other, but you want that value to get resetted back to 0 after every race for whatever reason, this would be the perfect candidate. The only time it doesn't reset would be if you press the restart option when you press pause in like a time trial. But if you need something like maybe you're working with some item spy code or something like that, this would be perfect. This portion of Mem81. So I just wanted to mention that for this episode 13. You need to store some values somewhere. You need to be set back to 0 after every race. This would be perfect. Okay. So in the next episode, episode 14, we'll talk about what is known as the pointer trick, which is pretty important. Alright guys, thanks for watching.